Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of chicken broth, parsley flakes for garnish at the end, 1 cup of long grain white rice, 1 cup of thin spaghetti. All that is spaghetti broken into pieces, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I also have 1/2 teaspoon of sazon. That's going to give some color and some flavor. If you have turmeric, you can use that. In a heated pot, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our spaghetti and also our rice. We're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and mix it so it's well combined. And guys, you want your heat to be on medium. After 2 minutes, we're going to pour in our 3 cups of chicken broth. Now you can go ahead and mix that up real good. Now you can add in your ground black pepper, your Italian seasoning, and also your garlic powder, and we're going to mix that until it's well combined. I'm going to let it come to a light boil. Once it comes to a light boil, you want to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to let it simmer 15 to 20 minutes. You can lower your heat. Guys, while it's cooking, you want to go in every now and then and give it a stir. Okay guys, as your rice is close to being done, you just want to add in some of your sazon or your turmeric, and we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so our homemade chicken rice is now done. Just going to get a little bit of parsley flakes and just sprinkle a little over top, just for a little added color. And guys, this is just like your chicken rice-a-roni, but better, because you can control how much of everything that goes into it, and it tastes way better than the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?